Hey there, mastering English Informal Greetings. Hello, learners. Today, we are diving into an exciting and dynamic part of the English language, informal greetings. These greetings are used in everyday casual conversations and can make you sound more natural and friendly in English. Informal greetings are more relaxed, casual, and can be used in everyday situations with friends, family, and people we know well. They can vary depending on the time of day, the situation, and the relationship between the people communicating. Remember, these greetings may not be suitable for more formal settings like a job interview or a business meeting. Let's explore some of the most commonly used informal greetings. Hey, or hi. These are very common and can be used at any time of the day. They're often followed by the person's name, like, hey, John, or hi, Emily. What's up? Or sup. These expressions are very casual and mean, what is happening? Or, what are you doing? How's it going? This is another way to ask someone how they are doing. You can expect responses like, good, thanks, or, not too bad. Yo! This is very casual and usually used among young people or close friends. It can come across as rude or too relaxed in the wrong settings, so be careful when you use it. Morning, or evening. These are casual ways to say, good morning, or good evening. Remember, the tone of your voice and body language also plays an important role in conveying your message when you use these greetings. It's equally important to know how to respond to these greetings. Here are some examples. If someone says, hey, or hi, you can simply respond with, hey, or hi, and their name. For what's up, you might respond with something like, not much, you, or just chilling, how about you? In response to, how's it going? You can say, it's going well, thanks, or pretty good. You? If someone greets you with, yo, you can echo the same word back, or simply say, hey. To morning, or evening, you might reply with the same word or add a good before it, like, good morning. And there you have it. A crash course on common informal greetings in English. These greetings will add a friendly and relaxed tone to your conversations. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary. It's also about fitting into the culture. We hope you find this video helpful and start incorporating these greetings into your daily English conversations. Until next time, keep practicing and stay curious.